If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can create an item in Sage 50 Accounting and assign it the Charge Item class in the Maintain Inventory Items window to indicate expenses recorded by an employee or vendor when company resources are used for a customer or job. You can use charge items to record administrative expenses and even employee out-of-pocket expenses like parking. You record charge items within employee or vendor expense tickets. To create a charge item in Sage 50 Accounting, select Maintain Inventory Items from the menu bar to open the Maintain Inventory Items window. Create a new item, and then use the Item Class dropdown to select the Charge Item choice. Then enter the rest of the information for the item into the fields as usual. To save the item when finished, click the Save button in the Windows toolbar. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.